interesting quotes that I've ever heard from Kyle Terra is there's no wrong jiu-jitsu. There's just good and terrible. Kind of an interesting quote. But the idea of that is that you can do certain things in a certain way, but there's gonna be a way to do it that's better. Jiu-jitsu is a lot about a game of probability. The triangle choke is an incredible common submission, but in a lot of ways is done in a least efficient way. You're gonna see people get the triangle choke and cross their ankles together. And this face value looks good because you see a lot of incredible jiu-jitsu athletes get the triangle choke, control it from here, pull this leg across and get the arm over there and finish. And we think, oh my gosh, that is the best way to do it. There's a better way. A lot of times, guys, when people deal with the triangle, where they struggle with is when they cross these ankles and people start driving into you, bringing your knees, your chest stacking you, and it gets so uncomfortable. Or they posture up really high, and then they bring their feet in front of your chest, and they start doing all these annoying defenses, and you're like, no, oh gosh, I lost the triangle. How on earth do we fix that? I'm gonna tell you guys right here. Make sure you guys pay really close attention to about 2 of these mechanics. One is optional if it's available to you. The other one, though, is super important. The first thing that I'm trying to really pay attention to is that I'm never crossing my ankles like this because I have really nothing that can stop him from stacking me and making me so uncomfortable and regret getting such a strong position like this. So what we're gonna do instead is I'm gonna put more emphasis of getting the back of my knee to my partner's neck. Not this, not over the shoulder. The leg across the back, back of the knee to his neck. The other important detail is my foot is gonna go to the ASIS. It's that bony part of the hip. You have them on both sides. My knee, my left knee, the one that's on the outside, is just gonna be pinching here. Now, if my partner tries to stack me, it's much easier because this distance that I have the ability to control here. The other thing we're gonna do to combine with this is more of a bear trap style of mechanic. Because a lot of the defenses people have is the posture, bring feet in front of the chest, or even try to stack, throw the leg to the side. A lot of things that can be shut down just by focusing on the back of the knee to the neck, foot to the hip with pinching your knee. And my favorite mechanic, guys, crunching my chest to my knees, but bringing my knees to my chest. So I'm actually engaging my knees to my chest, and I'm engaging my chest to my knees. So it's like a bear trap. So when we do this, I'm gonna crunch forward, control the shin, not pulling it in front of my ankle, but controlling the shin, and all I'm gonna do from here is just crunch forward here. Now if my partner tries to posture up, it's very difficult. If my partner tries to stack me, it's again, very difficult. I would argue very improbable. If my partner tries to throw my legs to the side, as you can see, very improbable and not very good. So to show you the proof of the pudding, I'm gonna have Ethan try to bring his feet in front of the chest, try to stack, and really try to pass. Once we crunch, get that bear trap mechanic, control the shin, foot to the hip, back of the knee to the neck. If you guys watch really close, there's gonna be times he's gonna submit himself. So once you guys get this actual triangle position, trapping the neck and the shoulder between the legs. It's not locking a figure 4. This is not what classifies as a triangle. This right here could be a triangle as well. And you can also put your partner to sleep. So I got my triangle, I get my foot to the hip, I'm gonna crunch forward. Now Ethan is gonna try to resist, try to get out. And as you guys can tell, he's not going much of me. Trying to bring the feet in front of my chest. And he's having a very tough time even getting his butt to the mat. Now he's doing a great job putting his knee where I do not prefer it, but then I can just lock it up and finish the choke or go for the arm bar. What a great place to put your knee on a YouTube video. For more content like this, guys, jiu-jitsu related, make sure you guys subscribe to the YouTube channel. We do a lot of live streams. We do a lot of videos like these to help educate you, bring you as much value as possible in our perspective of jiu-jitsu. And if you want to follow guys like this, which is, if you guys don't know, this is Ethan Cummings. If you don't know who this is, man, what rock have you been sleeping under? Okay, what rock? Make sure you guys follow him and keep in touch for some good jiu-jitsu content. For more content like, for more jiu-jitsu content, guys, make sure you guys subscribe to the channel. We do a lot of live streams. We do a lot of posting. We're here focused on giving you guys as much value as possible. And we'll look forward to seeing you guys in the next video.